Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Mary Jane Borromeo. I am 41 years old. I am married and have a daughter who is 14 years old. I have one brother and one sister. I am the sixth member of the family. I am a college graduate.
Okay. College 4-year course?
3 years course only.
College level. That is college level. What course?
Electronics Communication Engineering Technology.
Okay, so do you have experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
I work as a DH in Taiwan,
Taiwan and?
Hong Kong.
Okay, how long did you work in Taiwan?
I worked there for 2 years.
Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities in Taiwan?
My main duty is to take care of grandmother and the daughter and also do the household work.
Okay, so how many are they in the family?
They are 4 in the family.
Only one helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how about in Hong Kong? How long did you work in Hong Kong?
I worked there for 7 months only.
Okay, so what are your duties and
I
responsibilities?
take up a 9 months old daughter and a 2-year-old boy and do the household work.
Okay, so how many are they in the family?
There are 5 in the family.
So why you did not finish your contract?
Because they financial problem.
So is it they terminate or break?
The wife told me that they cannot pay me.
So that is terminate, right? So what do you prefer to take your newborn or children?
Both, ma'am.
Both. So if your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you willing to share room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have vision problems?
No, ma'am.
Do you hold any certificate like caregiver, first aid, nurse,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
babysitter? What kind of certificate?
The name of the certificate is household work and it includes the caregiving.
Okay, so have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because the people there are very kind and they give high salary and I want to provide for my family needs.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.